guys, for today's video guys, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano kumita sa site na to guys. So yun guys, natuturuan sa inyo guys kung paano kayo mag-register guys. Lagay nyo mobile phone, login password, security password, then click nyo po guys yung register. So yun guys, no, pag nakapag-login na po kayo guys, no, nakalagin na tayo sa site na tronbbben.com. Bbben is have a total balance of 17,707 TRX. So yun guys, na pwede tayo mag-recharge dito guys, withdraw, team, partner, app, share, pwede rin mag-invest din, activity. So yun guys, no, ang equivalent ng wallet nating account TRX is 17,777 is equals to $1,000.92. So meron dito promotion account TRX. Then TRX market performance, it has been listed on more than 130 exchange, connected to millions of value investor around the world, and is one of the cryptocurrencies with the most appreciation potential. So yun guys, no, meron dito 0.1, 13, 0.12, 0.11, 0.1, and 0.9. So yun guys, no, meron platform, cumulative data, and active user. So yun guys, no, andito yung global partners ng tronbbin.com, ang CoinDCX, Genesis Mining, Coinmint, Bitmain, Binance, and Wazirk. So yun guys, upload natin nandito guys, no, magtutungo tayo sa ating trade. So yun guys, no, trading profit, 24-hour settlement. So yun guys, no, plus 5% cloud mining is working. So yun guys, no, upload dito guys, no, magtutungo tayo sa ating invest. So yun guys, yung product list natin guys is coming soon pa lang po. So after nito guys, na magtutungo tayo sa ating share. Yan guys, no, nakalagay po dito guys, invite your contacts or friends and reward. So in case no, kakapin natin yung link guys, then pwede natin isend sa ating mga friends sa Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. Then copy lang po natin yung link, pwede natin tayo maka-earn ng mga rewards. So guys, after done guys, no, click natin itong share. Then after na share natin guys, is click natin yung mine. So yun guys, no, meron tayong total balance na 17,777 TRX, 2 types of deposit and withdraw. TRX deposit quantity, 0 TRX, recharge 10 TRX to activate the account, and cumulative, the recharge 100 TRX can withdraw money as a gift account. So yun guys, no, meron tayong contact as my team, submit a ticket, transaction record, station news, balance conversation, change password, login password, then so yun guys, no, magtutungo tayo sa ating deposit guys. So yun guys, to transfer to basic account and transfer to investment account. Investment is divided into two modes. Number 1, recharge into the basic account and receive income according to the Singapore time zone, 24 o'clock every day. Number 2, recharge into the investment account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal in income upon maturity. Note, before investing, please choose a basic account or investment account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue. So yun guys, no, magtutungo tayo sa ating Transpeak basic account. So yun guys, no, nandito na tayo sa Transpeak basic account guys. Kakapit natin ng address no guys. Then magtutungo tayo sa ating Binance. So again guys, no, nandito na tayo sa ating Binance guys. So paano nga ba tayo makaka-withdraw nito guys? Magtutungo tayo sa ating wallets. 3 types yan guys ha. Deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So dito tayo magtutungo sa ating withdraw. TRX, send via crypto network. Then guys, yung nakap nating link guys sa ating site, ililong press natin dito guys. Tapos minimum 20, lagay natin guys. Then click natin guys yung withdrawal. Then confirm guys. So yun guys, no, may lumabas natin na verification guys, no. Code will be sent to our number. Call will be sent to our Gmail guys. Pupunta yan sa number natin guys, tsaka Gmail natin guys. Then after lang guys, i-send code na natin guys para makuha natin yung mga number na yan sa email tsaka Gmail. So yun guys, nakuha natin yung code natin guys, number natin sa Gmail guys, no? Nakapin na po natin dito guys, no? So, click natin guys yung submit. So yun guys, no? Request submitted na guys. So guys, napaka-legit talaga ng apps natin guys. Ano pa bang hinihintay nyo guys? Mag-sign up na kayo guys at mag-invest na po kayo guys. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kasi mga lalabas kong mga bagong video.